Hello, this is Austin Deary coming to you live from Studio XYZ to introduce our new weather show, Weather or Not. This week we will be talking about the different natural weather disasters along with a 7-day forecast for Palm Springs, California. Palm Springs is located just east of Los Angeles. It is a popular tourist city in southwest California. The main natural weather disaster that could occur here is an earthquake. Most of the United States earthquakes happen in California. Earthquakes in California are common occurrences due to its location on the San Andreas Fault. This fault cuts across California and forms a tectonic plate boundary between the Pacific and the North American plate. The largest recorded earthquake in California was the 1857 Fort Tejon earthquake. Its estimated magnitude was 7.9. California's most recent earthquake was at 4 p.m. on Sunday, May 10th. Its reported magnitude was 1.9. And now for the 7-day forecast. Get your swimsuits and beach balls ready because Saturday, there's going to be a high of 82 degrees and a low of 63 degrees with no chance of precipitation. Sunday is going to be sunny with a high of 92 degrees and a low of 68 degrees with 20% chance of precipitation. Similar to Sunday, Monday will have a high of 93 degrees Fahrenheit and a low of 65 degrees, with a 20% chance of precipitation. Tuesday will be partly cloudy with a high of 94 and a low of 64, with 50% chance of precipitation. Wednesday, it will be sunny with a high of 90 degrees and a low of 63 degrees, with a 20% chance of precipitation. On Thursday, it looks like it will be partly cloudy with a chance of 90 degrees Fahrenheit and a low of 63 degrees Fahrenheit with a 20% chance of precipitation. Lastly, on Friday, it looks like we'll be getting a chance to cool down a bit with a high of 88 degrees and a low of 63 degrees. It will be partly cloudy with a 40% chance of precipitation. And now over to Hail McStormy over in Palm Beach, where it's currently raining.
Thanks, Austin. Now, as you can see, it's currently raining here in Palm Beach. Just like Austin said, you can expect it to rain at least once more this week, as there's a fairly high chance of precipitation later in the week. It would also be smart to have a bathing suit ready, because it is going to be warm this week. But don't forget to pack an umbrella just in case. And now back to you in the studio, Austin.
As you can see by the diagram, there are some cold fronts that are moving away from California. Also, there are some warm fronts that are moving away from California as well. So, you can expect that it will get a little bit colder, not by very much, but it should at least be noticeable, so you might need to wear a sweatshirt. And it looks like that's all the time we have for today. Thank you for watching, Weather or Not. And now for a public service announcement. If you find yourself in an earthquake, there are a few safety measures you should remember. Number 1, find a reinforced doorway that you can stand in. Number 2, be sure it is away from windows. And lastly, number 3, watch out for falling objects. Falling objects can cause fatal injuries. Be safe out there. Now back to your regularly scheduled program.